Science Central in Fort Wayne offers various learning activities and experiments for visitors of all ages.
But today, Martin Fisher of Science Central has come to us for another morning edition of Science Sunday.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning,
So all
Martin.
ages, right?
All ages, including my age.
Kids of all ages, great. So I brought a
Poor
couple
kids.
of very simple activities that people could even try at home. They're related to the science of water because we have our summer science camps going on every single week now through the summer. You can still sign up if you go to our website. And this is from our water camps, our water science camps. So we'll start off with one that's about buoyancy. Buoyancy is when you have something that's either floating or not floating. So what I did was I opened up a bottle of club soda. Club soda has bubbles, carbon dioxide. Next, I'm going to go ahead and toss in a couple of raisins.
Okay.
Now, at first, the raisins are probably just going to sink down to the bottom. However, if the camera's able to zoom in, you'll see, let's look really carefully, you can see that bubbles are starting to form underneath the raisins. And check it out, they're starting to move now. As the bubbles attach to the raisins,
Oh, there we
it's
go.
going to make the
Floating up.
raisins
Float.
more buoyant. They're going to float up. Bubbles get to the top. They pop. Then the raisin, it becomes denser again, less buoyant, sinks down, and it just keeps doing that
keeps going.
over and over.
Wow.
So this is a simple activity that comes from our summer science camps where we talk about the science of weather with buoyancy and density. Easy to do. All right, here's the next one. In fact, why don't you help
And
out
most
with
people
this?
probably have that stuff at
Yeah,
home.
I mean, this is kitchen chemistry,
Yeah.
basically, but it's a great way, easy way to learn about science. Okay, so the first thing to realize is I just spilled water. Realization
That's
number
okay.
one, science is messy.
It's messy.
And that's why we have paper towels,
towels.
right?
That is fine.
All
I
right.
spill everything.
So you get a cup of water, and what I'd like for you to do is just start pouring in the black pepper. And if the camera can zoom in, you'll see that the pepper, it's kind of hard to see, but the pepper, that's perfect, is pretty evenly distributed. The surface of the water, which consists of water molecules, they stick to each other. It's called surface tension. What we're going to do is we're going to break that surface tension. We're going to cause those water molecules to move further apart. So over here, I have a little bit of just standard liquid soap, dish detergent. We'll open it up.
Not
and
water. That would be
not
bad
water.
if you thought that was water.
Don't drink this.
Like that.
All right, Rob, why don't you help with this one?
Sure.
Get a Q-tip,
Okay.
get a drop of the liquid soap, and then touch it to the surface of the water that has the black pepper.
Just touch.
Boom, look at that.
Wow.
It immediately separated. It broke the surface tension of those water molecules, and we were visibly able to see the black pepper get pushed away.
Disperse.
How
yeah.
does that work with the soap? I mean, why does that happen?
Excellent question. Soap, the reason why you use it in your detergent at home to wash your clothes is, one, it's very good at breaking down oils, and two, all right, here's another technical word for today, surfactant.
Oh.
Basically, it breaks the surface tension. This is going to sound weird. It makes water wetter. It helps spread the water with the detergent in the wash. So that's what's happening here. The soap breaks those water molecules, not the molecule itself, but the bonds of the molecules, and it pushes them away from each other.
That is very cool.
Very cool.
Basic activities that come from our summer science camps, which, like I said, people can sign up for.
Yes, and thank you for showing us.
My
and like we
pleasure.
said, there's a lot of things here that you probably have at home, and you and your family can check out Science Central Wednesday through Sunday. It's located on Clinton Street. We're back with more news and weather after the break.